Hi everybody, this is Splatter back another day with another unboxing, and yes, with another Jordan Sling bag, but that is actually not what I'm going to show you today. So socks, I always buy socks when I order shoes or anything. So this Sling bag is what I'm going to show you today. I was going to order it a while ago until Easter, the car show, because I wanted a sling bag where I can fit my tripods that I have when I do interviews. And I understand now that it's not big enough. But let's see how it looks. So it's a 3-liter sling bag, and a 3-liter size is quite good. That is my main sling bag size actually. The shoulder strap is really thick. I think even thicker than, yeah, it is thicker than the sling bags. And even thicker than the 55-liter sling bag. I got a phone call. So yeah, the sling bag is actually kind of big, kind of thick. Not something that I would casually wear daily, but maybe for a trip or event or something. The shoulder strap is really thick, so I'm pretty sure that it's comfortable to carry. I hate the jingle, really hate the jingle. Pocket size or a wallet size pocket in the front. Kind of big actually, maybe even fits a phone, a smaller phone than mine. Medium pocket. I hate that jingle. And then in the big pocket that doesn't open big enough, I think, we have a mesh pocket and a zipper closed pocket. Really hate the jingle. And we have a string for your keys. So actually kind of nice. If you want a sling bag that feels durable and where you can fit a bunch of things. How do I wear this? Yeah, something like that. And of course you can carry it on your back as well. Yeah, I like it. Price was $80-$90. I hate that jingle. A bit too big for my taste, but sometime, somewhere, probably will use it. Now let's see how it fits. So the reason why I bought it. All right. That works. And the microphone pocket. Yeah, okay. So for my need, hate the jingle, but I could work. I could do without the extra pockets. A really thick, feels like it weighs 2 kilos empty, but I like it. And yeah, the sling bag, I absolutely like the sling bag. As you saw, I have 2 of them already. So the 25-liter is my daily bag, and the 55-liter I have only used once, but I really like them. I really do. And there's some Jordan socks in different colors. I always order socks when I order something. All right, so that's it for this video unboxing. The Jordan sling bag, it had a name that will probably be in the description. Big, thick, feels like half a backpack, sort of. But yeah, I will try to use it. I will actually put all my stuff that I have in my main sling bag in this one, just to show you. Actually, no, I won't. I like this. I like this. I'll pack a thick bag, something I think. I like the wrist strap. I have a bunch of things in here. So I really have it filled. So I will keep this just as it is. I have it mainly in my daily sling bag. And if I ever would need to just carry it, I just have it like that in my sling, in my wrist, on my wrist. I need to eat. So this, I probably won't use it, but it's nice to have. Like a third same color sling bag, multicolor sling bag. They have new ones, a blue one and another black one. But I really do like the paint splatter one. I do. So let me show you what they look like together. Yeah, this might be a little bit unnecessary because I already got a bunch of sling bags. But when I saw it the first time, I really wanted it, and I had a hard time finding it, and I ordered it, and I accidentally got the larger one, the 55 liters. Then I finally got the 25 liter. And then I got a bunch of questions about where to find it. So I looked everywhere where it was available to buy. And now when I saw it again, yeah, why not? Why not get a third one, another one, or a second one? Because 55 liters and two 25 liters. And this 3 liter that I probably will be having laying inside the bag with this one. Yeah, I need to buy some shoes